Just answer me the question. Who gave you the right to destroy the life of my daughter, raping her, after ravishing her, killing her? But what right do you have na kayong tagalabas kung gano'n na lang ang pawis at hirap, saving every, tapos pagdating doon, pabili lang ng sa anak mo para pagdating mo doon, basag na pala. And you know what? Dysfunctional na nga eh. Nandito kayo, may maiwan mga anak. Mabutit na lang kung dala mo. It is by itself a dysfunction already, to be frank with you. Wala na nga ang nanay, tatay, o yung mga sailors. Tapos, lagyan mo pa nando, it becomes really a total dysfunctional family. Magnakaw ito, hindi na mag-aral. So, hindi ninyo na, you simply overlook the things in life. My American friends, we stick to the fundamental issues about human life. You want to protect, we do not want whoever wants to kill people. You cannot build a nation over the bones of the criminals if that is what you want to do. But then, I have to do something by the sheer magnitude of 4 million. Instead of helping me, you are criticized, you chastise me publicly, insulting, because as a matter of fact, every time you mention about human rights violation, there's always a few words added, and that is the assistance. You can have it. It's all yours. We will survive. I'm sure I would be a villain to... Ngayon lang, maybe at this time, not all Filipinos would took note to kindly about my son. But in the years to come, the next generation, they would know that there is such a thing in this world as the dignity of the Philippines. Maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat, Pangulong Duterte.